Now I'm counting on you to carry me through. Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Hello and welcome. This is my garage. My good old garage that's full of junk. I'm currently working on finishing this darn table and hoping to get it out of the way so I can build a boat. So that's why I'm here. Yeah, one of my goals of this YouTube channel is to build a boat and to show people how I built my boat. I found lots of stuff on the internet about building different types of boats. Not quite what I'm interested in, so I'm looking at building a Glen-L zip. And yeah, so I'm going to go through it piece by piece and just kind of videotape what I'm doing and hopefully help some other people out there that are not sure of how to get involved with building a boat. Because I know I have no clue how I'm doing this, and a lot of forums are helpful, a lot of videos are helpful, but I'm missing a lot of the basic information that people take for granted. So yeah, so why don't I just walk you through what I have for plans. So I went to the Glen-L website. Here, hold on. So I went to the Glen-L website and I started looking. It started with me wanting to learn about how to make a canoe. And when I found their website, it just blew me away. I was shocked with what it showed for home boat builders and how to go about making your own boat. It was impressive. I ordered the catalog right away, and I highly recommend you go ahead and do that, because their catalog is full of different models, sailboats, rowboats, dories, tugboats, you name it. And so there's quite a few of their models I'd love to build, but I thought I'd start with something that I could use as a young person that wanted to get out in the water, and somebody that wanted to build another boat in the future. So I chose the Glen-L Zip. So when you order their plans, you get a bunch of stuff. Really cool is that you get the full-size patterns, which there's a pattern right here. And they're full-size patterns you lay out on a piece of wood, cut her out, and then build it all according to the plans that you have right here. And it is pretty complicated. There's a lot of pages to it. I've been going over it, and really in these plans I'm not even sure what these are all about yet. I've just been focusing on the very first stages, building the frames and the form. So that's what I got here. I'm not sure how much I'm allowed to show here since they are a purchased item. But yeah, no, it's super cool. So what I did is I ordered all these plans and looked through them. I spent several hours looking through them. The next step I did was start a notebook, and I highly recommend that if you're going to build a boat, a notebook is something that you should really think about doing. So I started a notebook just to help me with different rough notes. I went through the plans and I went through the instructions they provide, and started writing out, okay, what do I need to build this boat? Some of the instructions they give are a photo diary of how to go about building the boat, how to build the form and the frames. I found that A lot of people say it's straightforward. I got to get on the Glen-L forum and find out how straightforward it actually is, because I got confused quickly. But it does give you a lot of really good pictures and how to go about making your boat. And with the kit too, you get that package there. You get plans for the boat, all the different dimensions. You get full-size patterns, so how to cut out all the different frame sections, and then how to do scarf joining, little basic things. But part of it that really helped me out and understand everything I see here is that Glen-L offers a boat building with plywood textbook. And if you're going to go ahead and order a boat from Glen-L, I highly recommend you get that book. It walks you through the whole process from beginning to end, and I think that all the material I really need is in the textbook, and this is more of a guide. So with the textbook and this information, I think I can build myself a pretty nice little Glen-L zip. So today I went to the lumber store and I used the notes I made and I priced all my lumber. And I'm going to go through each phase of me building this boat, and at the end I'll talk about how much I spent and how much time I spent as well. That way you get an idea of how much it costs to build a boat like this. A lot of the frame structures are built in mahogany. I also have mahogany ply, marine grade, that I have to purchase, which is very expensive, among a few other things. So yeah, I hope to base my YouTube channel on building a boat and helping amateurs out there like myself. Really, it's going to be me going through it and hoping to help some people out there. And yeah, so anyways, welcome to my YouTube page, and I hope you enjoy it. I just want to make a shout out there for Martin Houston. His YouTube page has been a real inspiration to me and really encouraged me to just go ahead and go after my dreams and building this boat. And people like him are the reason why I'm here today doing this. I really hope that he continues to make his YouTube videos and help others like myself. And it really motivates me to do the best I can and come up with a really good product that is encouraging for everyone out there. So thank you very much for your time, and I really hope you enjoy my channel. And yeah, I'll be seeing you shortly, hopefully with a load of wood and a start to all this.